Hearing a weird engine noise? Don't ignore it. Engines always talk before they break. And no, it's not your car trying to beatbox. Here are the fastest ways to identify that weird sound. Ticking sound? That often means low engine oil or poor lubrication. Check your dipstick. Low oil equals instant ticking. Knocking sound, like someone knocking inside the engine, that's bad fuel or carbon buildup. Your engine is firing at the wrong time. Imagine fireworks going off randomly inside your engine. Squealing noise? That's usually a loose or worn out belt. When the belt slips, everything struggles. Alternator, AC, power steering. If you ignore these sounds, the repairs get expensive fast. So check your oil, clean carbon, and replace worn belts. Your engine will thank you. Follow GearMind for fast car tips anyone can understand.